Alright guys, so here's how to print only selected pages in Microsoft Word. It's quite simple guys, so let's get started. First of all, you need to just simply tap on the file icon on the left upper side, and then you need to select the print option. Alright, then here is the easy and straightforward process. So you need to select this option and this drop down menu will appear. So if you can see here are lots of options, but only print odd pages. So if you want that, you can select that one, and also if you want the event pages to print only, then you can select this one. Then again, if you want to print some current pages, then you can select this one. Now you have an option to write down the pages that you want to print. Alright, so you can also add the ranges. As you can see, we can add ranges. So suppose you want to print 1 to 4 page, then skip the 5 one, and then again 6 to 9. Alright, then how you can do that is very simple. First you need to type in 1, then hyphen, then again you need to tap on 4. This is 1 to 4. So now again press comma, and now you need to type in 6 to 9. Then again, if you want to add specific pages, then you can simply tap on comma, then 13 or 12, 13 and 16, like that, and then simply tap on print button and it will start printing the specific page for you. So that's how you can simply print specific pages in Microsoft Word. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.